Good morning, fam. Happy Monday. It is my actual birthday. Hey! So for my birthday, I'm going on a sightseeing tour around Aruba, and the first stop is the butterfly farm. So that's what we're checking out right now. I had a little intro, somehow it got deleted, so I just decided to voice over just this little part.
Alright fam, if you can see behind me, I'm hiding under an umbrella because it is again pouring raining. It's pouring raining every day since I've been here. It's the third day. So boo his. So all the butterflies have like went back in and they're hiding because they're getting soaked.
You are what see me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time.
Okay fam, do you see me right? Yes, for the third day in a row, I got drenched. I'm so sad. So, my mascara is running. So yeah, I think it's a wrap for the butterfly farm. We got soaked. There's still 3 more stops on the tour. I don't know how well that's gonna go. I'm so sad. Like this has been every day since I've been here. But by the way, I'm not crying. I have mascara in my eye. If I knew it was gonna pour, I should have put on waterproof mascara, but when I left out, it was nice and sunny. So yeah, luckily I'm wearing a bathing suit as a shirt. So, hey fam. So second stop, we're at the California Lighthouse, and the sun came out a little bit from behind the clouds. So at least it's dry. It's windy, but it's dry. But it's beautiful over here.
Make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about bad man, what you say?
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take a bad man me.
I'm at the last stop on the tour. This is the natural bridge, Aruba. See if I can see it behind me. It's back there. That's what they call it, the baby bridge. Because the big bridge collapsed. So like it's pretty cool. So I gave my hell for now. So I'm grateful for that. I've tried off. Hopefully it doesn't start raining again, but it is really beautiful.
Special one for me. Now you be the only one I see.
Okay fam, so the tour is over and now I'm downtown. I'm just gonna wander around. I want to take a picture in front of the I Love Aruba sign, and then I need to find some lunch. So luckily where he let us off, the sign's right there. How cute is that? So I just gotta figure out a way to take it. Alright, so I'm getting some lunch. I decided to try out the Dutch pancake house. There's little pigeons on the ground everywhere in here, but I always hear people talk about Dutch pancakes and I've never tried them out, so I asked them like what exactly it is, and they said it's like a crepe, but it's not rolled, it's just thin like a crepe, and I love crepes. So look at these little pigeons. Hey fam, this is what I got. It is ham, tomatoes, cheese, mushrooms. I don't know, it's like a weird pizza, so it's pretty good. It actually just tastes like like a flattened crepe, but it's a little crunchier. But all the ingredients taste really fresh. All the food I've had in Aruba, just like most islands, like all the food tastes fresh, like all the meat, all the vegetables, all the ingredients. Americans are the only people who eat like microwave processed food, but it's different, but it tastes good. Alright, so I decided to get dessert. This is coffee. So this is like, I guess, a meat dish. They're basically silver dollar size Dutch pancakes. So I got the ones with Nutella, dip them in the Nutella, and then they're just topped with powdered sugar and butter. Okay, fam, I went to wander around for a little second. There's one of the casinos. It's a Seaport casino. But I will not be going in there giving them folks my money, okay? But look how cute, like, the port is. If you guys can see, the Carnival Sunshine is in the background. We're at port right now. So it's really busy. So everyone just got off the ship. But yeah, super cute. Oh, there's a Starbucks. Yo, Starbucks is everywhere. Real talk. Oh my gosh, I see a phone booth. I want to take a picture inside it, like, so bad. Like, I haven't seen a phone booth in like years and years, bro. Look, I gotta get a picture.
Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see.
Okay, fam. You know that part in every vlog where I get lost? Guess what time it is? It's the part in the vlog where I get lost. I was so proud of myself. I got cocky because I figured out how to catch the bus from downtown back to my hotel. They said it's so easy. You just get on the bus for like 5 minutes. And the driver told me when I got to Eagle Beach to get off. And then I walked like 15 minutes and I realized this does not look like the part of the beach where my hotel is. You know why? Because I walked in the wrong direction. So now I have to walk 20 minutes back in the opposite direction to my effing hotel. Like, Lord, why? The Lord has granted me a lot of gifts, but the sense of direction is not one of them. Listen, fam, okay? We made it, okay? It wasn't even a 20-minute walk. It was like a 7-minute walk. Whew. But it's like 1,000 degrees outside. But I made it, okay? Oh my God. And the maid left this AC on in my room. It felt so good. But she left me some little flowers. Let me show you. How cute is that? And yes, these are real flowers. That's super precious. And then she put some over here. And look, they left me a bottle of wine, I think, for my birthday. So that's super sweet. I thought that was so nice. Oh my gosh. Okay. I really want to, like, run and jump in the ocean. No lie. But the beach was so packed. And I think because a couple of cruise ships are at port, so all those people flock to the beach. But geez Louise, okay? I'm trying to wait till they leave. Alright, fam. I'm headed back out. Get my suit straight. So I just changed bathing suits so I can try to get some Instagram photos down at the pool. This was actually my bathing suit from my last birthday, and I only wore it basically to take a picture somewhere in the end. To take another picture. I got my little champs, okay, every year. Okay, I take with my little champs. We'll see if we can get this open. There's some little cheap champagne that I bought at duty free in the airport. Woo! And it spilled like shit. Fail.
Make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar.